Sheridan Nurseries has been growing with Ontario gardeners for 110 years. Established in 1913 to cultivate nursery plants required to bring the vision of ornamental gardens to Canada, Sheridan Nurseries was a pioneer of horticulture. Today, our passion of growing beautiful plants continues with our dedicated growers at our farms in Glen Williams and Norval, Ontario. We are delighted for you to meet the growers behind your garden. They are the people who make the magic happen, growing exceptional quality plants guaranteed to thrive in your garden landscape. Sheridan Nurseries never stop growing.